This is the third method, incremental increase method. In this method includes advantages of both arithmetical increase method as well as geometrical increase method. Whatever the deficiency in that method, that deficiency overcome in this method. First of all, in this method, increase in population is calculated. For example, 85 minus 85,000 minus 72,000, 13,000, 1,10,000 minus 85,000, 25,000. This is the increase in population calculated respectively up to 1991. This is the first step in incremental increase method. After completion of increase in population column, next step is calculate incremental increase. Incremental increase means difference between increase in population rows, means 25 minus 13,000, 25,000 minus 13,000 plus 12,000. Next, 34,000 minus 25,000, answer is plus 9,000. 40,000 minus 34,000 plus 6,000. 37,000 minus 40,000, answer is equal to minus 3,000. Now, after completion of fourth column, means incremental increase column, calculate average population increase per decade. Now, to calculate average population per decade, means value of D, we have calculated in first method. D, average population, means make addition of 13,000 plus 25,000 plus 34,000 plus 40,000 plus 37,000. Total addition of these numbers is 1,49,000. This is the total increase in population, but we need average population increase per decade. To calculate average population per decade, means value of D, total increase in population divided by number. Now this number taken from the values number. One, how much here value are here? Total 5 values are exist. 13,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Due to this here taken 5 divided by 5, average population per decade equal to 29,800. This is the value of D. Next, average incremental increase, means T. Make addition of all these four value. 12, this is plus 12,000, means 12,000 plus 9,000 plus 6,000. Here value is minus because 37,000 is lesser than 40,000. Due to this here use minus sign and make addition of all these four value. Our answer will be 24,000. This is the total incremental increase. This value is total incremental increase. Now we need average incremental increase, value of T equal to total incremental increase divided by number. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 number. Due to this divide by 4 here. 24,000 upon 4 equal to 6,000. Our formula is Pn equal to P plus nd plus n of n plus 1 upon 2 into t. Now p is present population or last year population 2000, sorry, 2,21,000. Next, n number of decade uh, into d average population per decade increase plus n number of decade of n plus 1 upon 2 into t, t average incremental increase. Now we have all this value d 29,800 put here, n number of decade already calculated in previous method 3 decades, put 3 here, instead of n, and t average incremental increase, t value of t 6,000. Now calculate the future population at year 2021. Total population at the e- end of at the end of 2021 will be 3,46,400 persons. Now this is the third method, incremental increase method. In this method we achieve advantage of both arithmetical as well as geometrical increase method. In this method we first calculated average population increase per decade according to arithmetical increase method. After that, increase or decrease in a population by this method, future population is calculated by using following formula: Pn equal to P plus Nd plus, first of all, increase in population calculated, and from increase in population average population per decade is calculated. Next, increase or decrease in the population is calculated. First upon incremental increase calculated, and after that average incremental increase is calculated. Is used here: Pn equal to P plus Nd plus n of n plus 1 upon 2 into t. P equal to present population, D equal to average increase per decade, T equal to average incremental increase, and N equal to number of decades. Suitability of this method is recommended to be used for towns whose population is varying at a progressive rate and not at constant rate, because in this uh, progressive rate is varying decade to decade, not constant. At this place this method is suitable.